next group is a Braille tracking device. Second business design again. After them will be pulse oximeter with alert system. Let's welcome Braille tracking device. Teaching. I said it again. Braille teaching device. Let's welcome.
Hello, my name is Vic Bales. This is Bob Dow, Weston, and Cameron Tucker. Myself and Weston were in charge of the hardware and most of the electrical design, whereas Bob and Cameron were in charge of the coding and software. Collectively, we were working on the electronic Braille display. The goal of our project was to create a device that would allow a blind person to learn the Braille language without any sort of assistance from somebody else. After the first semester, we had one single working Braille letter using solenoids as the Braille pins. Unfortunately, we came to the conclusion that we would not be able to fit that design within the very small Braille standard specifications. In order to fix that, we started this semester by completely changing our design. The way that Braille characters are laid out is there are 2 columns of 3 dots. Each column of dots can have 8 unique combination of dots. Because of that, we decided to assign each column to a rotating octagon. That way, each unique combination of dots could have its own side on the octagon. With this new design, we would put together 2 octagons and create the new individual Braille letter. We would attach the octagons to stepper motors below using gears. That way, we could fit more space in. With this new design, we cut down the space in between adjacent letters from 5 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters. While that still isn't quite as small as the Braille specification is for between adjacent letters, we believe we can go even smaller by reducing the size of the gears. We think we can cut that in half again. An additional bonus is that with the new design, our system can be in steady state, which significantly reduces the power consumption. This semester, we also added an audio functionality to our system. With the touch of a button, our prototype will read out the letters that are currently being displayed. This is really vital to the core concept that we were going for, which allows a blind person to hear what they're running their finger over. That way, they don't need somebody telling them what they're trying to learn. Finally, we added a case to our prototype. And while it's not the most refined case out there, it really helps it be portable because it's much more physically stable than it was before. Additionally, the case makes it much more straightforward and understandable for a user. Are there any questions? Not yet.
What would be your strategy?
Just blindfold the person and run their finger across. We have 2 letters right now with our system, and we're very proud that each individual letter is within Braille specifications.
So all the letters can be represented this way? I mean, I know how the same way works for regular digits, but I'm not familiar with Braille.
All characters can be represented this way. The program we have loaded on right now is called Braille Level 1. There's 3 levels of Braille. Braille Level 1 is just for teaching simple letters of Braille. But the hardware can support all 3 levels of Braille.
Like with all numbers, all numerals, and letters.
Yeah, all special, well, I don't know how many special characters, but every character in the Braille language can be represented on our hardware. The rotating octagons? I actually do not remember whose individual idea it was. It was kind of this think tank idea at the beginning of the semester because we knew the solenoids just wasn't